In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the spark plug and ignition coil kit for Ford Escape 2013-2019. The spark plugs. The ignition coils. The following are the tools required for replacing the spark plug and ignition coil kit. Small size T25 Torx bit socket. Small size 7mm deep socket. Small size 8mm deep socket. Medium size 16mm spark plug socket. Medium size extension bar. Trim pry tool. Spark plug installation tool. Small size ratcheting wrench. Medium size ratcheting wrench. Small size torque wrench. Medium size torque wrench. Small size electric impact wrench. Open the hood. Prop the hood with the hood support rod. Pull upward and remove the engine cover. Unplug the vacuum line. Press the buttons on both sides. Remove the clip from the bypass tube. Press the button and remove the bypass tube. Use a small size 7mm deep socket with a small size electric impact wrench. Loosen the clamp on the intake tube. Use a small size 8mm deep socket with a small size electric impact wrench. Remove the mounting bolts for the intake tube. Use a small size T25 Torx bit socket with a small size electric impact wrench. Remove the mounting bolts for the brake fluid reservoir. Set it aside. Remove the intake tube. Use a trim pry tool. Remove the wire harness clips from the ignition coil mounting bolts. Unplug the ignition coil connectors. Use a small size 8mm deep socket with a small size ratcheting wrench. Remove the ignition coil mounting bolts. Remove the ignition coils one by one. Use a medium-size 16mm spark plug socket with medium-size extension bar and a medium-size ratcheting wrench. Remove the spark plugs. Insert the socket and extension bar first. Then, insert the wrench. Use the same tools and methods. Remove the remaining spark plugs. Here is the comparison of old versus new ignition coils and spark plugs. The reason we are replacing them is because the spark plugs failed, which indirectly caused the ignition coils to fail, resulting in engine misfire, indicator light turned on, and lack of power on acceleration. Use the spark plug installation tool. Install the spark plugs. Use a medium-size 16mm spark plug socket with medium-size extension bar and a medium-size torque wrench. Tighten the spark plugs and torque them to specific tightening torque 12 Nm, 9 foot-pounds. Using the same way for the remaining spark plugs, tighten the same torque value. Align the holes and install the new ignition coils. Install the ignition coil mounting bolts. Use a small size 8mm deep socket with a small size torque wrench. Tighten the ignition coil mounting bolts and torque them to specific tightening torque 10 Nm, 7 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wire harness clips. Reconnect the ignition coil connectors. Install the intake tube. Install the intake tube mounting bolts. Use a small size 8mm deep socket with a small size electric impact wrench to tighten them. Use a small size 7mm deep socket with a small size electric impact wrench. Tighten the clamp on the intake tube. Install the bypass tube. Snap the lock back in place. Continue to snap the lock back. Install the vacuum line. Install the brake fluid reservoir and install the mounting bolts. Use a small size T25 Torx bit socket with a small size electric impact wrench to tighten it. Reinstall the engine cover. Remove the hood support rod. Close the hood.